All right, here we have a 1967 Ford Mustang fastback. We're going to be installing the flush mount glass on this car. The glass does not fit perfectly, so we're having to do a lot of body work into the car to be able to make it fit, make it look right. Otherwise, you will have a big gap on either side of the glass, so we're having to work around that. However, you know, I believe the car's going to look pretty good. This car is pretty neat. It's got 20 by 12 wheels on the back, 6 piston calipers all the way around. It's got a Coyote engine in it, all leather interior. When we mean all leather, we really mean all leather. As you can see, even the headliner is a one-piece headliner. Everything's covered, the whole dash is covered. Even the floors have leather. You cannot see, it's kind of dark, but the whole interior is leather. It's a custom car. It's got a couple nice things that you don't see on most Mustangs. So we're actually using the radiator from the original Mustang, from the Gen 2 Coyote. We got ABS electric power brake booster. It's an electric brake. Aftermarket custom wheels, 14-inch rotors, custom fat differential with 35 splines. The tires are the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2. These tires are 345, 30, 20. It's a pretty wide tire. It's not the widest, but I mean, it's a pretty nice tire. I think there's not very many cars that have this kind of tire on the back. But here it is. I just wanted to share our project and you know how it's coming along. So we're gonna be focusing on installing the faceless glass. We'll keep you posted. We'll let you know how it looks once we get it done.